Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can watch your comment history on YouTube. So what you have to do is open your browser and go to youtube.com. Of course you have to be logged into your YouTube account. So right here in the left corner, as you can see, we have this icon here with the three lines. You have to press on that and go to history, and as you can see right here, it says your watch history, but we want to find our comments history. So in the right here we have this option right here, comments, and as you can see, there is a list of our comments that we left on YouTube videos. We can see the full history of our comments on Facebook associated with our account. So this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.